Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'll walk you through a quick tutorial on how to make a no-sew scrunchie. All you need is some fabric, a regular hair elastic, some sort of cylindrical object that the elastic fits around snugly, I'm just using an aluminum water bottle, scissors, and a hot glue gun. First, you need to cut a long strip of fabric that is a few inches wide, and you want to make it into a loop. The easiest way to get a nice hidden seam on the end is to glue the ends with the pattern showing on it together. So I've just applied a strip of hot glue and pressed the two ends together. Then when you flip it right side out, you get that nice clean seam. But for now, keep it with the non-patterned side facing outward. Next, you're going to place the fabric loop around your water bottle with the hair elastic over top of it, with approximately the same amount of fabric above and below the hair elastic. It's going to be all scrunched up, but that's okay, we're going to mess with it as we go. So we are going to hot glue the fabric together around the hair elastic. And again, we want a hidden seam, so I'm just folding these edges inward and gluing the folded part of the fabric together so that those rough edges are tucked inside. Then you're just going to keep doing that all along the entire strip of fabric. And because you have more fabric than the length of the hair elastic, you're just going to keep bunching up the glued areas behind you as you go, and smooth out the next section so that you can place your next strip of glue. One thing to be careful of, besides burning yourself, is that hot glue dries a bit hard. So if you're going crazy with thick strips of glue, just be aware that you will feel that through the scrunchie, and you might have some parts of the fabric that are quite stiff, which is not too bothersome when it's in your hair, but it doesn't feel very nice if you're wearing it on your wrist. A thin line of hot glue should be all you need. Once you have all of your seams glued, you can move the fabric around with your fingers to get everything evenly distributed across the hair elastic. And that's all there is to it. This is a super quick and easy project and a great way to use up little scraps of fabric you have lying around. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and check out my other craft tutorials. And I hope you have a wonderful day.